Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Soul Zeal, Tanpit Kaur this side. Today we are doing a special reading talking about what is the purpose of your life. So if you have been wondering why are you on this planet, why are you here and you're here to do what, we'll discuss about it in detail. Firstly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button below. And if you want a personal reading from me, you can message me on my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box below. So now close your eyes, take a deep breath. Open your eyes. Choose the pile you connect with more. Pile number 1, this is a flower, rose flower. Pile number 2, this is a feather. Pile number 3, this is a guitar. So choose whichever you connect with more and I'll see you at your reading. For the people who've chosen pile number 1, this rose charm you've chosen. So let's see what is the purpose of your life. Why is your soul here? So we have firstly the Magician, 2 of Cups, then the Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords and Queen of Wands, Hanged Women. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you guys here that you are here to create something, okay? Maybe there is something that you are here to create. You're maybe here to start something of your own, or it could be with your connection with your soul family, okay? Maybe some kind of a thought pattern change you are here to create, okay? I strongly feel that maybe it is just your own thought pattern that you're here to work on, okay, or maybe release whatever you have learned in your past lives. Maybe some negative release needs to happen, okay. And this could also talk about analytically working on things, okay. And then there is spiritual growth also I see here. So I strongly see, first of all, you're here to create something. Second of all, you're here to meet your soul family. With the Queen of Swords, a very analytical person, so I strongly feel you are here to create something, okay, so which will change the mind pattern of a lot of people, not just women in general. It will change the mind pattern of a lot of people. And I strongly feel that maybe you guys could be into some kind of beauty business, okay. If you are not, I could be possible for a lot of you people, because I think there is a lot of Venus energy in these cards, and this charm is also related to Venus energy for me. So I strongly feel something around Venus energy, something around feminism, something around empowering women, okay. So maybe some of you might be working on larger levels, some of you might be working on the smaller levels for that. And I also strongly feel you are here to have that power. You are here to have that power of changing things, okay. You are here to show that women can do as well as males, okay, in their lives, okay. And they are here, you are here to create that scenario, change the thought pattern about women in the whole society, okay. Maybe you, with your soul family, connecting with your soul family can do that. Your soul family person can be your friend, that soul family person can be your partner, then soul family person can be your family member, anyone, okay. So your soul family might help you in this process, okay. They will be there and helping you to achieve that in your life, okay. And I strongly feel a lot of you people who are watching this video might be working. Even if you're a male, even if you're a female, you are working, okay. So you will be working, and you are here to change maybe your own thought pattern, or it could also be about changing the thought pattern of people in general, okay. Whatever work you will be doing, you will be changing a lot of people's thought pattern about things. So maybe you are here to connect with this person as well, your soul partner, your soul family member, okay. And there is a connection that you two need to build together, or maybe start something together, okay. So you both have a very, very strong bond. I don't know which person this might be in your life right now, but this person is there in your life, and this person will be helping you to achieve what you are here to achieve. And with the Queen of Swords energy, I feel very analytically working on things. So okay, you are very knowledgeable, you are very talented, and this wisdom is not just from this life. I feel this wisdom you have gained from your past lives as well. And you are a very good manifester. Okay, so whatever you manifest in your life, you will be able to achieve that in this life. So you have to be open to manifesting things. Okay, I think with wisdom and manifestation, you can create whatever you want in this life. Okay, so be mindful of what you want to create a lot of positivity for yourself. With the Queen of Swords energy here, I feel you are going to shine. Okay, somehow you are the person who will battle through all the obstacles. Okay, you have that power to battle through all those obstacles, you have that strength. Okay, you are very sharp, and you know how to get out of situations. So I strongly, I'm getting the word legal, so maybe you guys could also be working into some legal industry, maybe into something around legalities, or maybe a lawyer for some of you guys as well. And with the Queen of Wands, business women. Okay, so she is the person who is going to do the right thing for her, and she will take a stand for whatever she wants in her life. Okay, and with this energy and these both energy, there's lots of confidence I see here. So maybe if you are feeling under confident this point of time, your life purpose is to get into that confidence, bring in that analytical knowledge of yours, and use that for your purpose, use that to achieve your life purpose. Okay, and your life purpose is around changing mind patterns. With the Hanged Women coming in the end, I feel it is about getting into that confidence, using your talents, connecting with that person, and changing the mind patterns. So if you have the Truth, new beginnings, and talent. Okay, as I said, with the Queen of Swords, you have lots of talents. Okay, so use your talents. Don't be scared. I think you need to get that confidence in you, because you are very talented, very, very talented person you are here. Okay, but I think you have to create that confidence in this life, that you are talented. Have that confidence in yourself, and that is what is going to bring a lot of positivity for you. That is what is going to solve your life purpose here. Okay, and with the New Beginnings card and the Magician, you are here to create something, start a new beginning. Maybe in this soul connection here, you are here to start a new beginning in this soul connection. Okay, and there is some kind of truth that you need to accept. Okay, with the Hanged Women also here and the Truth card also here, I think there is something around the truth that you need to accept, the truth about life, the truth about relationships, the truth about work, the truth about materialism. So some truth is here which you need to accept. So maybe it is about some mental patterns that you have been repeating through all your past lives, and now in this life you are here to come out of those mental patterns which have been sabotaging you. Okay, and just feel more uplifted, more connected with yourself. Okay, and with the Two of Cups energy and the new beginnings, it could also be a new beginning in your soul connection. Okay, maybe you are here to have this connection with this person, and have a new beginning with this person in this. Maybe in your past life you were not able to connect with each other for some reasons, and in this life you are here to create that new beginning and connect with this person. Now let me pick the obstacles cards for you. Firstly, I have Vetiver, center yourself. So maybe you will have a lot of thoughts. Okay, so you need to understand how to surrender with the Hanged Women. Okay, very important. You need to understand how to surrender. Okay, maybe you get self-sabotaging at times. Okay, maybe you don't even understand and you are sabotaging yourself a lot. You need to understand, you need to let go, you need to let go, and I think surrender to the divine. That is very important for you guys. Basil, purify mind, body, and soul. So you need to disconnect with people at times. Okay, to purify yourself. So I think there is a balance that you need in this life. You are here to create that balance in your life, and your major obstacle will be to let go, to create that balance. Strengthen inner visions, believing in your talents. Okay, so whatever wisdom you have got, you need to connect with that wisdom. How can you connect with that wisdom? To connect with that wisdom, you have to dive within and understand what you're here to do. You're here to do lots of things. Okay, but firstly you need to strengthen yourself, strengthen those visions, because you have that wisdom, you have those talents. Don't doubt yourself, accept yourself, explore yourself, trust your path. If you knew you would be supported, what would you do? So yes, you are supported here. You are supported here by your soul family. Your soul family is around you. They are supporting you. They are there to be with you, okay? And you're here to connect with your soul family. So yes, you're here to connect with a lot of people is strongly coming to me with the magician energy also here. You're creating, you're starting a new beginning in your relationships. Maybe in your past life you're not valued those relationships, and now your soul has reincarnated to understand that love is the only real thing in life, and you are here to create that love in your life. You are here to trust in that love, okay? And know the truth, know the truth that the love is the only real factor in life. You're here to achieve that love, achieve those connections. Then you have soul family. So the whole reading has been on soul family. So I think strongly for pine number one here, you are here to connect with your soul family. And yes, that is your life purpose. You are here to connect with them. You are here to know them. You are here to understand that love is the only real thing in life. Okay. You have to know this truth, and you have to start valuing your relationships if you have not been doing it till now, because you are here to do that. So pile number one, that is what I have for you guys today. Please comment below and let me know how did this reading go for you. It was really deep, okay? I understand I said a lot of things here. So whatever connects with you, please comment below and let me know, does this connect with you or not? And also, if you are looking for a personal reading from me, please you can message me on my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box below. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. For the people chosen pile number 2, let's see what is your life purpose. सबसे पहले हमारे पास है well-being, willpower, financial health, और हमारे पास है टैरो कार्ड्स में 5 of swords, 6 of swords, judgment, the fool, 5 of wands, the hermit. So this pile had some extra cards here, okay? So I feel there could be some kind of extra things coming in for you guys. I feel, first of all, with the 5 of swords, you will have a lot of heartbreaks, okay? Maybe in your life you will always be deceived by people, and you have to learn from those deceptions, okay? You have to learn how to move out of those thought patterns, those negative patterns in your life. This could also be related to some kind of health issues, okay? So maybe in your life you are here to learn from your health issues, and maybe to work on those health issues, and understand that you have that strength to work on those health issues, okay? Don't get trapped into them, don't get self-sabotaging. You have the will, you have the willpower to move out of those things. You have the power to do that. With the judgment card, I also feel you have everything that you need, okay? You have everything that you need in your life. Trust yourself, okay? You have the willpower. So even if you are caught up in some kind of health issue here, you have to let go of those thought patterns. So maybe you think a lot, okay? Maybe you have to clear your mind. So you are here to learn that you have to flow freely like this fool. Okay, you have to flow freely. You cannot control life. You cannot have a check on your life. And with the judgment, Pluto energy, I feel there will be endings, there will be big changes coming in your life. Okay, so you have to trust the divine plan. Clear your mental health. And you, once you start moving out of those mental patterns which you have been creating, which you have been trying to self sabotage yourself by those mental patterns, once you're out of those mental patterns, I think you are going to create a life which will be amazing. Okay, maybe like something new out of your life, something new out of somewhere. And with the judgment, I also feel this will be almost like reinventing yourself. Okay, and people will be jealous of you. With the Five of Wands energy, I feel lots of people will be jealous of you. Okay, and this could also talk about maybe you, once you get into this fool's energy, people will try to pull you down. All those energies trying to pull you down. Okay, so with the judgment, you coming out of these problems, and getting into the fool energy, who's ready to do things in life, ready to do whatever they want in their life. And Five of the Wands pulling you down, and the Hermit making you think more and more and more. So you have to come out of this pattern. Okay, so this whole pattern it is showing me, you have to come out of this pattern, this mental pattern of self-sabotaging yourself and getting your vibration lowered by other people. You need to disconnect with people. And yes, with the financial health, I think finances will always be good for you in your life. Okay, if they are not good, you will have to work on them, or there will be a lot of struggle related to finances is also coming. So two things will be really important in your life. Firstly, your emotional health is what is coming to me, and second thing which is coming to me is your financial health. So maybe both the things will be impacted in your life. Okay, and you will have to overcome those obstacles with your willpower. With your willpower, you can do it. You have the power to do it. You have the power to come into this fool's energy and not care about anything, which whatever is happening around you. Okay, I feel with the Hermit energy, you have to dive in, introspect. And once you start introspecting, I think you will be leaving out things which are not important for you. And this will be a challenge for you. Okay, so this life, your soul has decided to work on this challenge of this mental health and financial health issues. And moving out, how do you move out of those mental patterns which are actually creating so much negativity for you? You have to learn that. So with the Fool energy here, I feel you know how to get out of it. It's not like you cannot get out of this energy. You can, but there will be energies which will be pulling you down all the time. Okay, so there will be energies which will be pulling your hand and getting you down and making you come within again and keep thinking about the same thing again and again and again. So you have to let go of things which are not important. Okay, I strongly feel you need to let go of those negativities. I think a lot of people will give their negativity to you, so you might be empathetic is what I feel. You have to disconnect with such people. Maybe you will capture other people's karma, like number 4. Maybe you have number 4 in your charts. Okay, or maybe your date of birth is number 4, your life path number could be number 4, or your date of birth could add up to number 4. Avoid black color because that will pull down your energies and capture other people's energies. So maybe you are capturing other people's negativity is what is coming to me. Okay, so maybe whoever is around you, be mindful of who is around you, whose energies are you taking in. Okay, so I also strongly feel that you need to ground yourself, because there is so much here. I feel so much in your mind you are, that you need to ground yourself, because once you're grounded you will feel better. Okay, so grounding is extremely important for you guys. And with the Hermit energy, I also strongly feel here that your mental patterns need to be cleared. Okay, so regularly work on meditation, because meditation will work wonders for you guys. Okay, so it will help you achieve your life purpose. Okay, because your financial health will be affected majorly by your well-being, maybe majorly by your mental health issues. And there's a lot of moon energy I also see here. Lots of fears. Maybe you have lots of fears. You are here to work on those fears. Okay, and get yourself free from those fears. Maybe these fears are not just from this life. These fears can be from your past lives as well. Okay, your past lives, you have had those fears, and those fears are still lingering with you. So get out of those fears. These fears can start from standing on heights to going near the water. Something around fears, something around acceptance. You have the willpower. You have to understand a very, very important thing. You have the willpower to take this all. That is why your soul has incarnated into this life. Do not get into this depression, anxiety thing, because that will cause you a lot of mental agony. You have to trust yourself. Your soul is here to learn this lesson. Now let's see what will be your obstacles here. Firstly, I have uplift the spirit. Okay, because you will feel very low. Okay, you might get very low just because of some people saying something, some people being around you, some people sending you those energies. Okay, so you will feel very low. I think that is why you need to uplift yourself. You can use neroli or jasmine for that. Yarrow, balance yourself. So yes, you need to balance yourself. There is a lot of balancing that is needed in your life. I think because you go within yourself a lot, so balancing is majorly needed in your life, because once you go within yourself, you don't know the way out. Okay, so I think that is why you need to balance yourself. Frankincense, drive out evil and negativity. So yes, very importantly for you guys, lots of people are giving you lots of negative energies. So that is why there are extra cards here. I also feel, because you need to know that you have the willpower. You need to know that can balance yourself. You need to know that you need to disconnect with all those people. Then we have no, wait, postpone, pause, say no. So you have to say no. Maybe you are a person who easily says yes to everyone. Okay, you need to say no when you feel that it is not right, because that will help you release that negativity from your life. You have to release that negative people from your life. Don't be a people pleaser here. Okay, that will not be in good for you. Imrana, where are you being called to journey to? So you are being called to journey to some place with the Fool energy also here. I feel there is a journey that you need to take. Okay, maybe it could be related to your financial health or your mental health. So you need to work on both of these. Or for some of you people working on one of this. Get grounded. You need to ground yourself. As I told you, you need to ground, because grounding will help you center yourself, will help you release this negative patterns, can disconnect from these people. Okay, you have to say no to these people. You don't have to be a people pleaser. You firstly have to please yourself, then become a people pleaser. Okay, so your well-being is the utmost important thing in your world. And don't get too much involved in your mind. Okay, just go out, go play. Okay, with the Fool energy, I feel, go play, because you are here to enjoy this life. You are here to accept this. Okay, whatever health issue you are going through, it will go away one day. Okay, whatever problem you're going through, it will go away one day. Be it a financial health issue, be it a mental health issue, be it any health issue you are going through, it will go one day. So accept it, move out of it. It's okay, it happens. You need to in like get yourself involved into things which are more creative, which will uplift you. Okay, because with this neroli energy, upliftment is important. So you need to work on those things which will uplift you. Like maybe if you like something creative, go ahead and do that, because that will make you feel more better in your life. So pile number 2, that was a really, really deep reading. I hope I could connect with a lot of few people there. Please comment below and let me know, did it connect with you, did it not connect with you, or how did you feel about it? In the comment section, please let me know. I would love reading your comments. So pile number 2, if you are looking for a personal reading from me, you can message me on my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. For the people who choose in pile number 3, let's see what is your life purpose. Firstly, we have healing. Wow. Reconciliation. Answers. Then in the tarot cards, we have Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell you guys that you are here to heal people, okay? So you are the healers of this group, okay? I strongly feel you are here to heal a lot of people, and also to, for some of you people, I feel you could be into marriage counseling or something around counseling is coming to me, or maybe some place where you are connecting people, okay? Maybe you are into something which will help connect more people, and divine is going to give you answers. You are here to get your answers. You are very wise is also coming to me with this person here. It makes me feel you're a very old soul here, okay? So all you people who have chosen pile number 3, you all are old souls. Believe it. You have a lot of understanding, you have a lot of answers within you. With the Knight of Pentacles, first of all, I feel you are very practical, or you could be very practical in your life. In your earlier stage of life, you could be practical or very focused on money. And then suddenly something comes in, you have all the luxuries in life and everything, and you're having the best corporate job of all. And then suddenly, with the Knight of Wands energy, I feel maybe something happened and you got into spirituality, or something around awakening happened in your life. And I think then you started nurturing more people, helping more people to stand for themselves. Okay, so this is almost like a journey from corporate world to spirituality is what I see here for a lot of you people out here. Or it could be for some people, and for the others it could be just understanding that money is not everything in life. And you would, firstly you will be too focused on yourself in your life, and then suddenly when you grow as a person, you understand that you have to help, you have to share whatever financials you are having with other people, or whatever understanding you are gaining in your life, you need to share with other people, okay? And with the Seven of Wands energy, I think you will be standing up, against something in life, okay? Maybe there could be something around counseling is coming to for a lot of you people out there, or helping more people. Maybe tarot reading could be a thing, astrology could be a thing, something around it where you're helping a lot of people, okay? With the Queen of Pentacles, it's giving me energy of telling the future, telling kind of a thing, okay? Maybe you will help people by telling them future, sharing your wealth with them. Or it could also talk about just teachers also could be one thing here, okay? You telling students how to stand up for themselves, okay? And that could be your life purpose, teaching people, teaching them to understand themselves, okay? I think you have lots of answers here, and your life purpose is around helping more people, because you are such a wise soul. You have so much knowledge, you have so much to share, not just financially or materialistically. I'm talking about so much knowledge, so much talent that you have to share with all those people. You have to make them understand how to stand up for themselves, and you will be standing up for people. So some of you guys could also be working with some NGOs, maybe not just for people, you could stand up for animals as well here. And I think you have very strong opinions here. Okay, you would be a person who will have strong opinions about things, and you would want to fight for those opinions. You know you have to fight for those opinions, and that will help heal not just you but a lot more people here. Okay, because with the reconciliation card, I feel there is healing which is happening not just for you, for more people around you as well. Okay, because whatever you are doing is helping not just you, it's helping the environment, it's helping Mother Earth, is what I feel here. And yes, you have the answers, you get to know those answers, and I strongly feel you guys could be into spirituality. If not, you might want to go into spirituality in future. You could be 22 number is also coming to me, 2211 or second. These three numbers are coming to me. Could be your date of birth. It could be like your date of birth could add up to that. It could be your life path number, something around it. Okay. Now let's see what are the obstacles that you might be facing in your life. Firstly, healing your heart. So I think maybe because you're healing so many people out here, I think you also need to heal yourself, your heart chakra. Okay, with the reconciliation, maybe there could be problems that might happen in your relationship, and you are here to understand that as well. And once you understand that, you will be helping more people in their relationships. Once you understand how important relationships are, once you understand how important love is in life, you will help more people. And with Heal Your Heart, I also feel you will be healing other people's hearts as well. Then we have Move Forward. Okay. So with Move Forward, it's about moving forward in life. Okay. You need to move forward. You need to work on what you want in your life. Okay. And keep moving forward. Keep facing your north, because you are going in the right direction. If you're standing up for yourself, you're working with an NGO already, you are already in the right direction for some of you guys. Keep moving forward and help people move forward. Peppermint, regenerate yourself. So maybe you also need that regeneration in your life. Okay, because you are standing up for so many people. Okay, you are absorbing so much energies, so keep regenerating yourself by doing some kind of meditations. You can do that. You can also uh, do some kind of healing on yourself as well, like Reiki or pranic or something, yoga, meditation. Get into all these things, those will help you. Cleansing is important for you. And with reconciliation, I also feel you might meet your soul family here, or they will work with you. Okay, so they will help you, they will be there for you, they will help you heal people, they will stand by you. Or you could also be in the same stream, could also be a thing. Maybe you both are working in healing people. The Great Gathering, it's all coming together. Intuitive hits Soul Tribe. So as I said, your soul tribe is around you, they will be there with you. So you are not here alone. You are a group of people who have incarnated into this life, those old souls who have incarnated into this life to help more people. Okay, you are here to help as many people as you can, to heal them, to connect them, to make them understand that love is so important in life, to connect them with themselves. Okay, maybe they are not connecting to their own souls, and you are helping them heal their hearts, create that self love within them. Council of Light, divine orchestration, help us in the subtle realm. You have your angels around you. So your angels, your soul tribe, all of these people are around you. They are helping you to help people around you, as well as help yourself understand yourself better. So if currently you are into a job, doing your own business, enjoying your life, spending lavishly, enjoying what you have at this point of time, at one point you will have this realization, and I strongly feel a lot of you people will be helping heal other people and heal yourself as well. So there is a lot of spiritual vibe into pine number 3. You could be into spirituality, or you would want to go into spirituality in the future. Okay, pile number 3. So please comment below and let me know, what did this reading resonate with you? Did this work for you? Yes, no, whatever you feel, please let me know in the comment section below. I will reply back to all my comments. If you want to share anything with me, I would love reading your comments. And if you're looking for a personal reading from me, you can message me on my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel.